Hey guys, so a lot of people have been asking us recently, what does moissanite look like when compared to natural diamonds? So for the next couple of weeks, what we'll be doing is comparing our FAB traditional cut moissanites of different shapes versus the same cut in a natural diamond mined form. Okay, with that being said, we're going to be going over the pear cut shapes today. Alright guys, so the first stone that I'll be taking out is a natural cut diamond mined from the earth. Okay, again, a natural diamond, the way it's formed is that it's been made by pressure and heat. Okay, so for this specific stone that you're looking at, it's actually called a polished diamond that's been cut into a pear shape. So with that being said, this is a near colorless stone. It is a clarity of an I1, okay? It is an uncertified stone, but what you can see in this specific diamond is the inclusion. So we specifically chose an I1 so they could take a look at what a natural inclusion looks like, okay? So again, it is a near colorless stone. Now, the next stone that I'll be taking out is from our FAB collection. All right, so it's a FAB moissanite, a pear cut moissanite. The difference between this stone and the stone that I initially took out is since it's made of silicon carbide, it is doubly refractive, has a higher refractive index grade than that of a natural diamond. So in other words, it basically has more fire. It's also a pear cut shaped stone, so it's also shaped as a teardrop. And both are brilliant cuts. What is a brilliant cut? Again, basically it's cut to maximize the sparkle of the gemstone. The top stone is a natural diamond. The bottom stone is a moissanite. This specific moissanite is a near colorless moissanite. It's slightly larger than the diamond that you see here. This diamond is approximately about a 1 carat diamond. Okay, it's slightly larger than that. And on top of that, the clarity grade for this moissanite is about a VS to a VVS clarity grade, which is very high up in the clarity scale. Okay, this is a custom cut FAB moissanite, and it will cost you approximately about $500 US. Okay, whereas the diamond that you're looking here, again, let me go ahead and recap, it's also a near colorless gemstone. All right, so it'll have a little bit of warmth to it. It's also a brilliant cut. Okay, now the difference is that it has a lower clarity grade and it's slightly smaller than that of the moissanite that you see here. So it is an I1 clarity grade, and depending on where you buy it, who you buy it from, which brand you buy it from, and the salesman that you're potentially working with, it's going to cost you anywhere between $3,000 to $6,000 US approximately. Okay, so that's where the significant difference is between a moissanite and a natural cut diamond. And again, there's no real right or wrong answer. Some people prefer natural diamond, and some people love the fire of a moissanite and the other specs of a moissanite. So with that being said, there's no right or wrong answer. It's ultimately up to you, up to your preference, your taste, and you could go ahead and weigh out the pros and cons. I hope I was able to provide you with a thorough or better understanding of the differences, so that when you do make a decision to purchase a stone, then hopefully you can go in more educated so that you can make the right decision. Alright guys, so the first stone I will be measuring is the pear cut natural diamond. Alright, so let's go ahead and measure the width first. That is at approximately a 5.6 millimeter in terms of width. Let me go ahead and turn that around and find out what the length is. That's a 8.42 to 8.43 millimeters in terms of length. All right, and let's take a look at the depth. And that comes out to a 3.69 in millimeters of total depth. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and take out the Moissanite. This stone is quite larger. Let's go ahead and measure the width. That's at 6.02 millimeters in total width. Okay, so that's about 0.4 millimeters wider than that of the natural diamond. The length is at approximately about an 8.81 millimeters in total length, and then the depth, based on what I can see here, should be quite higher than that of the natural diamond, and that's at approximately a 4.00 millimeters in total depth. Alright guys, so the first stone that I will be weighing is the natural cut diamond, the pear shape. Okay, so this specific stone is approximately a 0.99 carat diamond weight, of actual diamond weight. Okay, alright, so let me go ahead and take that out. Now, if you can recollect as to how I measured the previous Moissanite stone, it is definitely significantly larger than that of the natural diamond. Okay, so this one should weigh more or approximately the same, but again, it is a much larger cut Moissanite stone. Even though silicon carbide is less dense than that of carbon, which makes up a diamond, this specific stone should weigh slightly more because of the fact that it is cut significantly larger. Okay, so there you go. It's at 1.125 of actual Moissanite weight. Hey guys, so I hope you really like what you saw there. Again, we're doing everything here just for you, okay? So if you haven't already, definitely leave a comment below. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you don't like. We definitely value your feedback, okay? With that being said, go ahead and hashtag us on Twitter and Instagram. Leave us a question. We are planning on doing a Q&A to answer any of your questions, so you may be featured. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.